Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to look into the functions of gut microbiome. The human gastrointestinal microbiota is considered one of the most densely colonized microbial fraternities on earth, consists of distinctly diverse microbial populations that provide immunology, metabolic and protective functions which play a paramount role in human health. The gut microbiome is accountable for some essential metabolic and signaling functions which are involved in the regulation of host energy and metabolism. This includes the synthesis of all B vitamins such as folic acid, biotin, cobalamin, thiamine, riboflavin, nicotinic acid, pyridoxine and pantothenic acid, even vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and helping wounds to heal. It can also be found in leafy vegetables and grain. Vitamin B12 is needed for healthy red blood cells and it is normally only found in animal products such as meat, egg and milk. So the bacteria in the gut are particularly important for people who don't eat these foods. There are bacteria living in all parts of your gut, but most of them live in the intestine. They can affect everything from your digestion to your mood to your immune system. Digestion and metabolism of indigestible complex carbohydrates such as resistant starch, cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins and gum, and even oligosaccharides, unabsorbed sugars and alcohols all takes place in the gut microbiome. And even the synthesis of essential amino acids that transfers bile to a bird with glucose and cholesterol metabolism of xenobiotic compounds, and the production of short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, propionate, acetate, which acts as a source of energy for colonic bacteria and also induce the apoptosis of cancer cells in the colon. And carbohydrate metabolism serves as the major source of energy in the colon. In conjunction with the host immune system, the gut microbiota is considered the first line of defense against pathogens and toxins, safeguarding the body against disease. One of the most important role of healthy microbiome is the generation of antimicrobial compounds like bacteriocin, which acts as a barrier to pathogen colonization. Through direct communication with intestinal epithelial cells, gut bacteria play an important role in the progression of mucosal innate immune system. Early exposure to a variety of bacteria provides a form of immune system training focused on typical defensive responses to commensal bacteria as well as relevant inflammatory responses to pathogens. But they also have a real intention to maintain our gut healthy. So some of them release a messenger systems that aids in immune system education while others drive gut cell regeneration. However, in recent years, evidence has emerged indicating our gut microbiome has a considerably broader impact. It could communicate directly with our brain. A few serotonins, a crucial messenger molecule for nerve cells, are produced in the gut. Some scientists believe the microbiome communicates with the vagus nerve in this manner. This is considered as our neurological system's information highway. Other examples include microorganisms that stimulate immune cells in the gut, causing the brain to transmit an alert signal. It triggers the immune cells that aid in recovery of brain after an injury. The microbiota is considered with a healthy brain since brain chooses what we eat. We are on the threshold of knowing how these intricate systems inside our body interact as a new branch of study emerges. However, we are beginning to notice how much our microbiome influences our health and behavior. Take depression for example. Healthy rats given microorganisms from depressed people's gut begin to exhibit anxiety-like behavior and depressions-like symptoms. And many aspects of health are influenced by the microbiome. Harvesting energy, enhancing gut integrity, defending against infections, and modulating host immune system are all important physiological roles of microbiome. Some people refer to the gut as second brain, and they are probably right. The vagus nerve, one of the longest cranial nerves in the body, connects the brain to the rest of the body. It travels from the brain to the colon because the gut is involved in the control of neurotransmitters. It is not surprising that it can influence host behavior and health in a variety of ways. 70% of cells that make up immune system are found in the gut wall. These gut microbes assist us in digesting meals and obtaining additional calories from foods that we are unable to digest. Unfortunately, our gut is a prime target for intruders, therefore it is defended by our immune system's fierce army. Our microbiome co-evolved with us to be able to communicate with our bodies to survive here. Most crucial aspect is to tell the immune system to not kill them. Thus, the microbiome is essential to your well-being and there are ways to promote a diverse gut microbiota. microbiota. Eating a varied diet, not using unnecessary antibiotics, and spending more time outdoors are few ways to promote and maintain a healthy gut. Thank you.